my goodness. How tall is this again?
15 foot. That's
King? I'm 14. Try to tour this place. What's up, guys? Welcome. All right, today we're at Berkshire Pullman Apartments. I love this place. I literally thought I was going to move here. Before I moved into where I'm at right now, this was the place I wanted to be at. So this is the business center. I love it. 2 computers.
To come, like if you work from home, Wi-Fi is accessible for you to use Wi-Fi.
I love the little lights along the side of the hallway. It just gave fancy. I don't know. Every piece that was on the wall to the lights along the side, it was all intentional and it all went well together.
So all amenities. It's going to be open 24 hours.
The gym by itself was great to me. I would have gotten rid of my membership. I was really excited to go here because they had the free weights machine. They had upper body machine. They had the grass field along the side. They had a studio. They had everything that I would want in a gym that I think where I'm living at right now is lacking.
Our clubhouse is going to be open between 10 a.m. 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. It's like an area where you can come in. We also rent out this area for $250 for a 6-hour max period.
I love this club room. It was huge. Like if you think it's big on camera, it's even bigger in person. You can rent it out, like she said, for $250 for 6 hours. I love the pool. It's big. It was bigger than my last apartment's pool. It's currently bigger than the place that I'm staying at. I just loved everything about this place, honestly. Everything was spacious. On your downtime, you can play pool. You can come out here and just relax, do some homework, whatever it is, cook, grill, whatever you want to do. Ironically, I like that the hallways were black, and I think it's because it was very clean in there. Yeah, look at this. This is it. So it's so bright and tall in here.
Yeah, so all of our ceilings so first and second floor will have the higher ceilings, which is 15 foot. Second will range between 10 to 12 foot. But yeah, this is the exact floor plan. So like you said, you wanted the island in the kitchen, so it's very open.
Oh, this is so nice. No, I gotta call my friend. 14. All right, I'm gonna stop talking so you can hear us go back and forth. So nice. This is so nice. I gotta call somebody. When I said that I wanted to call someone and tell them about it, I mean every word. And then y'all have the double fridge.
Yeah, everything, all those amenities are the same.
You guys, oh my gosh, it's so bright. And it comes with a porch. You know the one next door don't come with a porch? It was just my big toe. It was a Romeo and Juliet. Let me tell you guys, Frisco is not a cheap place to live. It's a safe place to live. It's also not cheap.
Let your friends to come. You have a nice size.
Oh my goodness. How tall is this again?
15 foot.
15 foot. I found the place I'm going to drive. The additional charges that you would pay over $100+ for, it was max $50. Yeah. What size bed is this, you said? King? I love it. And the back wall is gonna have that dark paper too? Ideally, if this place was $14.50, you probably would have been paying $1,500. That's it, after everything is included. I don't have the paper in front of me to look at it. You can always give them a call and check to see if the prices are the same. Obviously, I'm months behind posting this. Washer and dryer connected. I'm so excited. The price is so good. And Frisco is supposed to be a good area, right?
Oh yeah, it's a great area. It's a lot of areas that's nearby. People do that. They start off in a certain unit and we have a lot of transfers here.
I like it. This is beautiful. 702 looks different from the one next door. I'm so glad that I came here.